This video is about linear combinations of independent random variables. A shop sells oranges and lemons. The weights of the oranges are assumed to be normally distributed with a mean 215 grams and a standard deviation 5.5 grams. The weights of the lemons are assumed to be normally distributed with a mean 115 grams and a standard deviation 3.7 grams. Nelia selects 2 oranges and 4 lemons at random and independent of each other. Calculate the probability that the total weight of oranges exceeds the combined weight of her lemons. Whenever you say normally distributed, you will define a random variable. For orange, we will use R follows, normal distributed with mean 215 and a standard deviation 5.5. For lemons, we will use variable L follows, normal distribution with a mean 115 and a standard deviation 3.7. We want to figure out the probability that the total weight of her oranges exceeds the combined weight of her lemons. Make W equal R1 plus R2, then minus L1 minus L2 minus L3 minus L4. E of W equals 2 times 215 minus 4 times 115 equals -30. Let's talk about how to get variance of W in detail. Variance of W, we will use this formula. The coefficient of R1, R2, L1, L2, L3, L4 is 1. Variance of R1 plus variance of R2. Remember, for this formula, this is a plus. We never have a minus for this variance. Even we have a plus or minus here, we always get the plus. Therefore, plus variance of L1 plus variance of L2 plus variance of L3 plus variance of L4. For variance of R1, variance of R2 equals variance of R, which is 5.5 squared. So 2 times variance of R plus variance of L1, variance of L2, variance of L3, and variance of L4 equals variance of L. So 4 times variance of L equals 2 times 5.5 squared plus 4 times 3.7 squared equals 115.26. W follows normal distribution with the mean -30. Variance 115.26. In other words, sigma standard deviation equals square root 115.26. We are looking for total weight of oranges exceed, which means R1 plus R2 minus L1 minus L2 minus L3 minus L4 greater than 0. We are looking for probability of W greater than 0. Lower bound is 0. Upper bound is infinity. Mean is negative 30. Standard deviation is square root 115.26. Enter. We got 0.0026. This is not 3 sig figures. We need to check whether this value is an accurate answer. So go up, enter. This shows you what exactly this value is. So answer will be 0.00260 as 3 sig figures. Answer is 0.00260.